So we're going to make a quick video about resetting the door latch on the dishwasher here. Now this is a Frigidaire model, but I suspect this is probably a similar issue with a lot of them. Basically what happened was wouldn't shut. Let me see, I got partially pulled out from the countertop, but would not shut, and nothing works. Every button, right? You get nothing. Hit the reset buttons and everything else. You get nothing out of it. When you Google it, a lot of the answers are about hitting a combination of certain buttons and trying to reset it. Obviously, powering down the breaker, powering it back up, resetting it. But we're gonna figure out in this case, and I suspect in probably a lot of people's cases, what the actual issue is. So stay tuned. We'll get to it real quick here. Okay, so first thing first, obviously you want to power it down. In my case, and probably in most cases, it's hardwired in, so you got to go to the breaker box, identify the proper breaker, and power it down. Then we're going to remove the Phillips screws. There's 4. Okay, then we're going to remove the Torx screws, which there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Torx. T20 size. You want to remove these, and this is going to facilitate taking off the front panel. All right, now that we got all the Phillips screws and the Torx removed, the panel basically just pops off. Try to be fairly gentle with it. I say as I drop it. That front stainless steel is really thin gauge, so it's pretty easy to get it to bend. Okay, actually in this case I could probably do it right now without even having to totally remove the front panel, because I have pretty good access right where we're at. So let me see if I can get you a good angle here to see what's going on. So this latch right here, it's pushed back and out, basically, so it's behaving like as if it's currently shut and latched, which obviously locks out the control panel, which is why no lights are coming on. So push this in, and for those of you noticing, the lights came on, which don't follow my procedure because I left the power on while I did it because I'm a bad boy. But all right, I'm going to do this again and reset it just so that you get a little bit of better shot of it. So this is how it was when it's screwed up. So it's already pushed back like as if it were in a locked position, as evidenced by this little tab being up. So the latch would be captured inside of there. So push it in like this, and then there's a little tab under here. And then roll it up behind that pin. See how it's staying further in now? Good to go. Okay, so now we're just going to reassemble it, get the front panels screwed back on, and then we'll test it out. All right, so all back together. Just screwed the front panel back on. Obviously I still got to push the dishwasher back in and get it remounted, but that actually pulling it that far out wouldn't even be necessary once I realized what the problem was. But the biggest problem I had with this was this dishwasher is not even 3 months old. So I was pretty ticked off when I thought that perhaps like the control panel or something else was like a major issue here. So turned out that's all it was. I don't know how it happened. Maybe somebody, one of the kids or something, while the door was open, reached in there with a fork or a knife or God knows what, and basically set the latch to be closed when it's still open. So now you can see as you push it all the way shut, powers up. Okay, so let's say if we're going to run it through a cycle, which I'm not going to really do because I don't have it bolted in, but on the wash, start, close door. That's it. Should be good to go. But we're not really going to run it. But yeah, that's it. So if you found this helpful, hopefully I explained it well. Just be careful. If this is over your head, don't do it. But honestly, it's not that much hard work. Just be really careful and make sure the power's off before you go screwing with it. Don't be like me. And if you like it, subscribe. Appreciate it. Thank you.